the next thing I want to do is I want to be able to distort a noise. So how can I do that? Let me show you. I'm going to use a noise, and I'm going to connect it to the output. And instead of using the noise, well, the type noise, I'm going to use cell noise, because here we can clearly see that we have squares here. And there is a parameter in the noise called offset. And if I do something like 0.2, for example, you can see that this whole line here went down. If I bring this up again to 0, the line is here again. All right, what can we do with that knowledge? Well, we can try to feed that value with another noise in order to get, well, like a relative offset value, a value that is different in all places here. And I'm going to do this by adding another noise. Let's solo this one. And let's make it way smaller, like so. And now I want to connect it to the input coordinate offset and throw this into the surface. And now you can see that we are distorting this whole noise here. And now again, if you think about those colors as data, you will find out that now the brightness of color 2, the white, is our power slider for the distortion. Look at this. So here we go. So once you get that a node-based system does not just carry color, but data, and you know how to use that, your setups have the potential to become really powerful. So now we've got a distorted cell noise here. That's cool. All right, but instead of piping that into this noise here, I'm going to pipe it into the one that I created for the wood. So let's do this, and let's output the wood here. And here you can see that we now have a distorted wood pattern here. And that's pretty much the base of what I want to do.